It's going to be an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. This is the Bluetooth and GPS version. And I kind of regret it because this is my old phone watch. This is the Samsung Watch 6 and I got the non-LTE version. Anyways, so we'll open this box and do a little bit of comparison between the two of them. Okay, there it is. That is the watch. I'm gonna take it out. Try to get to the straps. Okay, this must be the straps box, and it is. This is the white and silver leather version. So close that up. And let's open this. That. Like that. I'm supposed to like put this on. Because usually you just click on that. Oh, okay, actually it is. You just still click on it. So you put this the other side, and then you're clicking on this, and then it should pop in. This watch feels massive right now compared to my Watch 6, which is the Watch 6 I have is already the large version with the 44 millimeters, and this is the Watch 8, but Classic with the rotating bezel here. So we're gonna turn this on. Okay, maybe the battery's dead. I'm gonna see where the charger puck is in this thing. Does this not have a charger puck? You gotta be kidding me if it doesn't have a charger puck. I think the charger puck is probably in here. Open that up. There we go. I'm assuming it's using the same charger puck, but one can never tell. Okay, there it is. And we'll just give this a go. We'll plug this in right now to try to charge it up. Actually, I'm not sure what happened because when I plug in the charger, it shows 80%, but it's unable to turn on right now. Oh, maybe this is the power. Oh, maybe this is the top one. Anyways, let's do a screen comparison between the two. It feels like the screen diameter is actually smaller than. I'm just gonna swap it out to a better kind of watch face so it's easier to see. Overall, I would not recommend buying the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. You're essentially paying additional money for one physical button and a rotating bezel, but it is a much chunkier watch than the Galaxy Watch 6 I have here, which is even chunkier than the next competitor, which is the Galaxy Watch 8 44 millimeters. And the Galaxy Watch 8 44 millimeters is way thinner than this chunky boy.